Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix Minecraft launcher black screen on startup. Okay, so first fix is purging the appdata launcher cache. So ensure that the launcher is completely closed. If you want to make sure, that it's closed, go to your task manager, find your Minecraft, just search for it here, and then just right click and close the corresponding app. Right, and after that, you just type in the Windows key plus R, and in this box type in percentage, appdata, and percentage again at the end. Press OK. And then find your Minecraft folder. So for example, in your case is going to be .minecraft. Okay, so we'll just open some kind of folder. I will just, for example, choose this. Okay, and in here, under this folder, you need to find a folder called launcher _cef, okay? And then just delete this folder. So that folder is going to be the one that contains your cache. So when you delete it, that cache is purged and a lot of issues can be gone from doing that. Okay, and the second fix I'll give you, just navigate to your settings, then navigate to system, then navigate to display, right here, the first tab, then go graphics. And then in here, guys, it's actually pretty simple. So what you need to do is you just need to press add desktop app, and that just choose your Minecraft executable. So what this will do, you can just then, for example, just choose Armored Core. So your game will be displayed in this list. You just drop this down and then choose the GPU preference, set to high performance. Okay. And then just close out of here. And this will also make sure that your system's resources and your GPU is fully used for your Minecraft, ensuring best stability and performance. So that's it, guys. These are the two fixes I recommend. Try them out. Hopefully they help you out. And of course, like and subscribe.